Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CREG. We will take a look at the 15-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 15-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 15 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 15-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move, not only from a price action perspective, when you look down here at the volume, biggest volume this chart has had by far in quite a while. So obviously a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's start by mapping out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. As far as supports are concerned, I'm just going to slap the KISS method on this thing, keep it simple, stupid, and in order to really kind of just gauge and track the overall health of the current move, this of course being defined as the move. How do you gauge the health of that? Well, that is where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to continue to move itself higher and higher. And from a very just black and white perspective, like I said, keep it simple, stupid. As long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves itself higher and higher, then the bulls are in control from the overall sense. Now, there is perspective that goes into this. I fully realize that if you're a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 2 minutes after buying, then yeah, you could not care less about the purple line down here. So I am definitely making these comments assuming and kind of grounded upon those that care more so about the big picture of it all. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this thing starts to bounce, where are some of these key battlegrounds at? First key area on any sort of bounce to keep an eye on, going to be right there at the $4.65 range. After 465, next key overall level right up there at, I'm going to try to split the difference there, about $6.50. I realize the price went above $6.50 a few times, but there are also a few times where it didn't quite hit it. So like I said, just kind of trying to split the difference and find a common ground. Any way you slice it though, very nice move today, very active. I traded it today, but a lot of people out there keeping an eye on it. So this one will be very, very interesting to see how it closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.